Introducing the Wonderchef Chef Magic, an all-in-one kitchen robot that takes your cooking experience to the next level. Let's take a quick look at what makes this device a game-changer in the kitchen. Design and build quality. The Wonderchef Chef Magic boasts a sleek and modern design that fits perfectly into any kitchen. Its compact build ensures it doesn't take up too much space, while its durable construction promises longevity. Versatility. This kitchen robot is a true multitasker, offering automatic chopping, sautéing, stirring, kneading, steaming, and more. Whether you're preparing a quick meal or a gourmet dish, the Chef Magic has you covered. Technology. With Wi-Fi connectivity and a mobile app, you can control the Wonderchef Chef Magic right from your smartphone. The device comes preloaded with recipes by Chef Sanjeev Kapoor, making it easy to follow along and create delicious dishes. Ease of use. The intuitive controls and guided recipes make the Chef Magic incredibly user-friendly, even for those who aren't confident in the kitchen. The mobile app provides step-by-step instructions, ensuring your meals turn out perfectly every time. Warranty. With a 2-year warranty, you can trust in the reliability and durability of the Wonderchef Chef Magic. It's a long-term investment in your kitchen. Overall, verdict. The Wonderchef Chef Magic is a versatile and powerful kitchen companion that simplifies cooking and makes it more enjoyable. It's perfect for busy individuals and home chefs alike. Pros: sleek and modern design, versatile with multiple cooking functions, Wi-Fi and mobile app control, preloaded recipes by Chef Sanjeev Kapoor, 2-year warranty. Cons: may require a learning curve for beginners. Buy the Wonderchef Chef Magic on Amazon, affiliate link. Like, comment, and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews.